Hi, good morning. It's day 6 of 6, and as always, they're fixing everything on here. Everything is breaking on the Carnival Paradise. The elevators, the coffee machine, and I'll show you something here in a second. Speaking of broken, we had a whoopsie. I've heard two different stories. Somebody said a chair hit it, but it broke the windows. But that would be one window. But then they said the window washers, when they were cleaning it at the dry in dock, that it struck the windows and shattered them. Okay, so the rumors that we heard are untrue. As you notice, these are very nice, clean windows. No scratches, no paint, no anything. What they're doing is every time they come into Tampa, they are replacing two windows. So when we get in tomorrow, they'll replace the two down that side, and then they will start over there and replace all those windows. They were not broken or anything, just being replaced. Good morning. Breakfast for champions. Good morning. You too. Station. All right, so Chris and Terry are starting out really early with a donut. Go ahead and cut it, I dare you.
Chris got us a donut to share.
That's right.
This is going to be a good moment. Uh-oh.
These are
I'll take this one.
to die for.
Oh, these are
Terry
Nothing
says.
worth dying
Oh,
for,
they
guys.
are to die for. Oh, gosh. All right, good.
Oh, sure. Leave me the bigger piece.
Well, I want to
Well,
share.
you know what? There was nothing to keep it fresh in. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Think about it.
Oh. Oh, Chris.
Yeah. Okay.
Is it as good as the cake you got on the breeze? No.
It's just as good.
No.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
You got chocolate up your nose. No, I'm just kidding.
We'll have it everywhere.
It's yummy.
Thank you, Chris.
Where you going, baby?
We're going to get our free gift. Let's see what it is. Wanda got a speaker.
Not gonna be a koozie.
A speaker.
Speaker?
Wanda got a speaker.
Oh, that's from the casino.
I don't know. Let's
I'm
see
lost
what
in
we
the casino. We're not getting
get. Let's see
that.
what we get.
All right, I'll show you. All right, so it's more fanny packs.
It's a diamond gift. It's a Bandicoot and this pin.
Anybody want to buy one?
Awesome.
How much,
Thank
baby?
you.
20 bucks?
They're not for sale.
They're not for sale. They're special. They're priceless.
We got a Bandicoot. Yay, Fanny!
Woo! Don't be a fanny. All right, here we are in the Platinum Diamond Party with Art
baby.
and Vanessa, Terry, and me. And this is the guy that keeps kissing me everywhere I go.
He's in love.
Vanessa never kisses me, but she does.
Yeah, he's in love.
Yeah, and I kiss myself. But anyway, where are we at, kids?
We're at the Diamond Platinum Party.
And,
It's really going to be nice.
and what are we going to do, Art?
We're going to drink.
All right, good afternoon, everybody. Give it up for cheer yourselves. Yes, yourself. Especially my first time platinums. We're gonna show. Now, when the ship come by and you've been on the ship, cheer loud and proud in it. And of course, if we see that paradise, you're gonna go wild and crazy because she been absolutely a festival, tropical, holiday, jubilee, celebration, fantasy, ecstasy, sensation, fascination, imagination, inspiration, destiny, elation, paradise, triumph, victory, spirit, pride, legend, conquest, glory, miracle, valor, liberty, freedom, splendor, dream, the magic, breeze, sunrise, shine, vista, horizon, sunrise, panorama, Mardi Gras, radiance, and our newest ship, Carnival Luminosa and Carnival Celebration. Oh, and this is the best part of the video. There we go. It is the Carnival funnel, right? Give it up for Sunny, your finance director. Coming up next, he's making sure that all the food is in tip-top quality. Give it up for your food operation manager, Bloody. Now this hardest working woman in the biz, working 24 hours around the clock to make sure that all your guest services needs are taken care of. Give it up for your guest services manager, Diana, right over there. Now, and did you enjoy that food in the dining room? Let me hear ya. It is your executive chef, JJ, cooking all those delicious meals. Oh yeah, he is my best friend. Now making sure that you have that tip-top entertainment, the fun squads, the playlist guest performance, the youth stuff, the cruise director. Give it up for your entertainment director, Alona. Now this next person here.
First appetizer. Kevin got the cheddar
Oh,
steak.
that steak.
Christine got the steak cheddar as well. I got the lemon dill soup, and Terry got the steak cheddar as well.
It smells good.
All right, I got the dill
I like
soup. She got the steak, and look what she's having to do to it. Everybody says, "Oh, this food was cold." It's not cold. It's so hot you can't even eat it. So don't believe everybody what they say. It's awesome. Kevin got the fried shrimp
Christine got the chicken tenders. I got the chicken tenders. And Terry got the chicken tenders. Yum, yum. Baby got a garden salad. Uh-oh. Kevin?
Cobb.
See, Kevin does eat salad. Whatever.
Yeah, this is the Cobb salad.
Royalty.
See,
And
eggs,
correct me, but it's the Cobb
the
salad.
Cobb salad.
I have nothing. I got the enchilada, extra rice and beans for her pork loin. I got the extra beans and rice with my pork loin. Oh, poor Chris doesn't have anything, and poor little Kevin. Did I say poor little Kevin? You know what I mean. He didn't get nothing either. Poor little guys. Kevin got the pini with the mussels, and Chris got the enchiladas. Kevin got carrot cake and ice cream. Chris got carrot cake and ice cream. Terry got carrot cake and ice cream. And I got a banana split because I was talked out of
Key lime.
the key lime
Cheesecake apple.
cheesecake apple. I was talked out of it, but he brought me one anyway. This is the key lime apple cheesecake inside the apple. Yummy, yummy. Here we are with Alex and Mary Joyce. They're here in the Anytime Dining. So when you come in, Mary Jo will seat you. Alex will wait on you. So make sure you ask for Alex.
And their favorite
And oh, and them too. They're up.
and their favorite channel is.
I look good in the video.
You look
You
good.
do look good, Alex. You do look
Oh,
good.
he's good looking. Party of
We'll
two
see y'all in a
cruising.
little while.
Party of two cruising.
Party at 2 Cruising, right?
Thank you.
All the people who support me, thank you. I appreciate it. All my sponsors.
All your sponsors.
Magic Mike.
Francisca, pour it.
Yeah, baby. Come on now. Make it good. Make it
It's chocolate martini
It's gonna
time.
be delicious. Thank you. Thank you.
Make sure you come see Francisca here at the,
Carnival Paradise.
at the what?
Carnival Paradise.
On what bar?
Martini Bar.
Martini
You got
bar,
it.
Yeah.
It looks delicious. Come on, Christine.
Otherwise known as the Rotterdam Bar
There you go.
or the Flood Bar.
The coolest bar.
Thank you,
It
Francisca.
looks delicious.
Yeah, the water didn't damage the photo.
No.
Well, good evening once again.
Here we are with Willem. When you come on the Carnival Paradise until when?
July.
July. Make sure you look up Willem. He'll be out by the pool area.
See you guys.
And get a bunch of beer from him and
Of course.
This is the latest we've ever packed.
Yeah, we don't care because we're self-assisting, and Terry does not have to go to work tomorrow.
That's true. You
Sunday.
just go home. Anyway, we saw Chaz Elzener tonight.
The
comedian. The guy had people in stitches. He's hilarious. He does sound effects, and he has several different shows. But if you come on a ship and you see Chaz Elzener, make sure you go see him.
He's great.
He is hilarious. Absolutely hilarious.
We loved it.
Anyway, we had kind of a lazy day, laid by the pool all day. We went to dinner,
And
We went to the Diamond and Platinum party.
Yep.
Yeah. And then we went to get
And
a
again,
chocolate martini.
again, you get all the drinks you wanted.
Yeah.
There was no, a
Unlimited,
glass of
yeah.
wine. And it was pretty packed in there, and they still gave you what you wanted. Even though we weren't really in a drinking mood.
No.
But other people were getting several.
Yes.
So, it's a
Did-
myth.
We had a great dinner, though. We really did have a good dinner.
We
It was
did.
good.
So anyway, so we get off in the morning. And we'll be back on here on
June
June
8th.
8th.
And we're going to self-assist off in the morning.
Yes,
so we'll
we
be
are.
up very early. So
Yes.
Terry has got to get to bed.
6:40 in the morning, we'll be in the piano bar where they take us off, and then I gotta go find my truck, and I'm not even sure where that's at.
I hope we get it home. I
All
hope
right.
we make it home.
So anyway, we will. But anyway, till June 8th, we'll be back, and you've probably seen I had all this up, and probably by the time you see this, we'll be getting ready to get on June 8th.
But I tell you, this has been a great cruise. We love the itinerary. We loved it, and we love the staff. It's
Yes.
been great.
The itinerary was great, and we'll talk about that later, but the only negative of this itinerary was Key West. And it's not Carnival's fault, but you're only there for 5 hours. And it's because Key West doesn't want us there. It's those one percenters, and I'll talk to you about that later.
Oh.
They migrated to Key West, but they don't want nobody else there.
Who would want us?
Everybody wants us. So anyway, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. We got a lot of new subscribers on here. Had a lot of people come up and
We
said they
did.
watch our videos.
Yes, they did. And they
So,
love the Paradise.
We did. And it was a great ship. Needs a little work. Going in October to get fixed. And we'll see you on the next one.
Right.
I know I'm right. I'm always right.
Good night.
See you later. And happy sailing. No hot chocolate.
We're done.
Fool
We're
ya.
Done.
Done. I'm going to bed.
Good night.
Good night.